For this Talking Timepieces quick close-up, we thought we'd have something a little bit more fun and whimsical. This is the old Casio themselves calls it vintage on their page, the DBC-611-1. It's their old school Databank series, and this one still has Databank functionality. It's a full function calculator, and it'll hold 25 whole pages of notes, people's addresses and phone numbers and such. Or I should say phone numbers and such. I don't believe the addresses went into this. It was a name and phone number databank. It's got dual time zone, 5 alarms, and a 1/100th of a second chronograph. So this is a good beater watch to knock around if you need something functional, and it's a good little piece of kit. It's even, I believe it's 10 bar water resistant. So you're in good shape with this watch.